With the click and drag function, you can select text and drag and drop items on the screen. To use this function, first select the area with the trace from where you want to start dragging. After you made sure you're on target, select click and drag. Then, computer control lets you select a destination. Normally you will get the opportunity to adjust your target precisely at the destination. If you are not getting the target adjustment on the destination, you can enable this in the settings menu. To do this, access the off-screen menu by looking beneath your screen. If you use the eye series, you can look directly at the infrared lights of the eye tracker. From the off-screen menu, go to the settings menu, activation, go to the next section and toggle adjust target, click and drag. This will make it much easier to drag and drop things. With click and drag you can not only select text, but you can do other useful things as well. Here are 2 tricks. Trick number 1, Windows has this feature called Window Snap that lets you quickly arrange windows. When you drag a window all the way to the side, Windows automatically scale that window in such way that it takes up the half of the screen, and on the other half you can put a second window. This is pretty easy to do with computer control, as you can see. Another trick that you can do with click and drag is quickly make shortcuts to your favorite websites. To do this, just drag a link to the desktop or a desired folder. This will make accessing that particular website easier.